Yo, crypto commandos. Peep this. Straight cash, homie. And no, I ain't just hodling. I engineered this. Sick of getting rugged? Ready to be the one making the plays? You're in the right place. Today, I'm spilling the beans on how I launch meme coins that actually print. No fluff, all facts. Let's dive in. First up, if pump.fun is still your go-to, you're playing yourself. Look at this graveyard. Non-stop launches, instant nosedives, getting noticed, making bank. Good luck. That ship sailed, hit an iceberg, and is now a submarine. You're just torching your soul and your time. It's the same story daily. Copy-paste meme coins showing up non-stop, all blending together. So here's the real question. What makes your project stand out from the endless crowd? Ready to stop playing around? Then start looking at Radium Squad. Night and day difference. Less noise. Actual projects with legs. The market caps? Next level. Why? Because Radium usually means you got a code, or so they thought. And you see those big green numbers right there? That's your cue. I've got everything lined up so you know exactly when and how to make your move. So when you're not competing with 1,000 other coins, your project finally gets noticed. The price movement? Next level. But here's the thing, if you don't have coding chops, it could be a pain. No need to stress. Pumpzone.io just made launching on Radium super beginner friendly. You can get started without touching any code. Just a few simple steps and you're in. The clunky, tech-heavy setups from before? Totally outdated now. Step 1. Let's brand your token with a visual that pops. Open Canva, 128 by 128. Whip up a cool Darthcoin logo. Iconic, powerful, gonna grab attention. Clean it up, export it, and now your coin's got a style that actually turns heads. This is the first simple but crucial branding element you need for your project to look professional. Time to set things up in pumpzone.io. No sketchy wallet connections to create your token. Super safe. Alright, token name, Darthcoin. Symbol, Darthcoin. Iconic. Description, I'm just typing something like, Darthcoin. Feel the power of the dark side of gains. You get the vibe. Upload that slick logo we just designed. Tokenomics. That 1 billion supply? Perfect. Leave it as is. Whale metadata. Now this is important. Keep this enabled. It adds a layer of transparency, shows you're legit. Whales and serious buyers like to see this. It's a good trust signal. Social links. Honestly, skip this for now. Focus on the launch. Now, the golden rules. Revoke authorities. Pay attention. First, revoke mint authority. Switch it on. This proves no more Darthcoin can be magically created. Build scarcity, boost value. Second, revoke freeze authority. Flip that on too. Means you can't just freeze people's tokens. Essential for trust. And third, revoke metadata update authority. Keep it on. This locks in your token's details. No sneaky changes later. All these on? Perfect. This is what separates a pro launch from amateur hour. Okay, now for the magic of pumpzone.io. Where do you want your tokens? Paste your Solana wallet address right here. This is where your freshly minted Darthcoin tokens will land. Secure, no direct connection to your main funds during creation. Love it. Hit Create Token. Now see this address pumpzone.io is showing? That's where you send the Solana for the creation fee. It's minimal. I'm copying it, jumping to my Phantom wallet, and zipping over the SOL. Once that SOL is sent, do not close this Pumpzone page. I repeat, keep it open. It needs a moment, maybe 10 seconds, could be 30 to confirm and mint. If you bail now, you might get your SOL back, but no Darthcoin, so just be patient. Yes! Token created successfully. Pumpzone now shows your Darthcoin token address. Grab that, copy it. Darthcoin is live on Solana. Let's go verify on SolScan. Your contract's live and visible on the blockchain. There's no reversing it, this thing is locked in. Next up, making it tradable. You can't do anything with a token that has no liquidity. So here's how to fix it. Head back to pumpzone.io and click the second option to load up Radium's liquidity setup. Connect your Phantom wallet. Mine hooks in automatically, but if not, just link it manually. Now we'll add the base token. You'll need your token address. Grab it from pumpzone.io or SolScan. I'm pulling mine from pumpzone.io. Paste that in. Enter your token symbol Darthcoin and full name Darthcoin. Click Add User Token. Select it. And your full 1 billion token supply should show up right after. Let's get your pool funded. Input 900 million tokens. For the pairing, Solana is your option, so make sure you've got some ready in your wallet. I recommend you choose a range between 0.8 and 2 SOL, but remember to keep at least 0.2 SOL on the side for the fees, you will need it. Then lock in a 2% fee tier to make sure trades stay clean. 2% is my go-to. Once that's locked in, click Initialize Liquidity Pool. Phantom will show a pop-up, hit confirm, and your token is officially launched and live. Pause for a second and head to Photon. Don't forget to enable the Radium filter. That'll let you see your token instantly, and just so you know, your launch didn't go unnoticed. There are traders out there already tracking your every move. Welcome to the spotlight. Ready to track your coin? Copy your token's address from pumpzone.io or SolScan, then go to Deck Screener and pull up any chart, replacing the token address with yours. Now you'll see your own token's chart live. Don't be surprised if you spot some bot trades at first. That's all part of the game. Keep an eye on the chart for when it starts gaining traction. That's when the whales will get involved. Checking your liquidity position is pretty straightforward. Head to Radium, open the Portfolio tab, and scroll to the Standard section. Sometimes your position will appear right away, but other times it might take a minute to show up. That's perfectly normal. It's just how on-chain syncing works. Wait a little while, and it'll be there. Okay guys, we already have some movement on our Darthcoin token. See those purchases? That's making the graph go up together with the liquidity. This looks good, so let's continue watching. And that's it guys, Darthcoin had a wild ride. Now get ready for what's coming. It's cash out time. First, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected. If it's not showing, click the wallet icon and select your wallet from the list. After that, go to the Standard section, find your liquidity position, and hit the minus button to withdraw your funds. You're ready to go. Make sure you pull out the full amount. Don't leave any liquidity behind. Take 100% of your funds, especially that SOL since it's important. Hit remove liquidity, approve the transaction in your wallet, and let the blockchain do the rest. If you want massive profits, this strategy is the key. The numbers show it. 9 out of 10 projects using this method succeed. The fact is, those who act first make the most, while the ones who wait end up with whatever's left. Get your setup right and don't hesitate. Timing is everything. Critical reminder. This is all for educational purposes. I'm not a financial guru. Crypto is the Wild West. Your mileage will vary. No affiliations here. Pumpzone.io, Radium. They don't know me from Adam. Just sharing what's crushing it right now. But these gold rushes, they don't last. The market evolves. If you're thinking of making a move, the time is now, not later. This kind of play could be gone tomorrow. Don't just watch the game, get in it. Smash that like, sub for more alpha, and I'll see you on the next moon mission. Peace.